Hello and welcome to IT Contractors UK. My name is Smith and I am the founder of itcontractorsuk.com. We are a specialist contractor portal, and today the topic of today's video is basically how to find the best umbrella company in the UK. Now, as a contractor specialist portal, I get to contractors ask me often, ask us often about how they can find an umbrella company that is the best and how to differentiate between a good umbrella company and a bad one. So that's a good question, to be honest. And we have a page set up on IT Contractors UK, which is called Top Umbrella Companies. But more than that page, I want to discuss about how, as a contractor, you can find an umbrella company that suits your needs. Now, it is very important for a contractor to understand that there are over 500 umbrella companies operating in the UK, and the market is not regulated. Now, the HMRC, publishes a list of umbrella companies that are, involved in tax avoidance schemes and, who are involved in dodgy practices, who are fraudulent, as you may want to call them, an umbrella company. But that list isn't enough, and on a daily basis, we get emails from contractors looking for umbrella companies, asking us, how do you find the best umbrella company and how to differentiate between a good umbrella company and a bad one. So it's a tricky question to answer, to be honest. And itcontractorsuk.com, we have been operating since 2013 now, and it's pretty difficult, when there are so many umbrella companies operating in the UK. You can do it's very difficult. So before we get into how you can find an umbrella company that is the best for you, let us just understand the topic first. What is an umbrella company? What do they do? So umbrella company is basically a medium, umbrella company for temporary workers acts as an employer. Okay, so umbrella company is the bridge between a contractor and the end client or the recruitment agency. So an umbrella company takes care of contractors' finances, taxes, compliance, insurance, and whatnot. So we do have an article on that, and we have a lot of other articles on what is an umbrella company, what they do. So you can visit our website and you can see for yourself. So basically, the umbrella company is an intermediary that acts as a bridge. Like I said, that acts as a bridge between you and the agency. So the umbrella company employs temporary workers, pays them their salaries, processes their timesheets, pays national insurance, income tax, pensions wherever applicable, and takes care of the entire financial and compliance side of things, whereas the contractor only needs to focus on the core part, which is contracting. So and when coming back to the topic, how to find the best umbrella company. So there's nothing like a best umbrella company in the UK. And there are so many umbrella companies in the UK. So if you go to any other portal who has a list of, let's say, top 10 umbrella companies, or let's say they have a list of umbrella companies that they recommend, most likely it is that they are their partners, they are their affiliates, and they are promoting them. If they have a list of, let's say, top 10 umbrella companies in the UK, it's a list that they believe that these are the 10 companies that they feel are the best, but they may not necessarily be the best. And secondly, that list could be a result of an SEO campaign where they might be exchanging links with the umbrella companies on the list, or those umbrella companies might have paid them to be on their list, or they might be their affiliate partners. Now, that doesn't mean that those 10 umbrella companies are not the best. They might be very good, they might be the best, but then there is no criteria or there is no parameter which says that, okay, if the umbrella company does 1 2 3 4 things correctly, they should be considered the best. No, that's not how it is. Now, there are genuine umbrella companies operating in the UK. Some of them we have on our site, like, as you can see on this page, we have DASA Umbrella and we have Templeton Brook. Now, these two companies are, now to start with DASA Umbrella, now they are FCSA accredited, and they are also professional passport approved umbrella company. They even were nominees for the best umbrella company category, are the best umbrella company nominee for the Contracting Awards 2024 that's going to happen in November. Now, these two companies that you see on our list, we've clearly mentioned that this is our list of top umbrella companies, and we have been working with Templeton Brook and DASA Umbrella for quite some time now, and we know how good they are. So we don't hesitate in recommending them to our network of contractors. But we do, if you can see from this legal disclaimer, we do ask contractors to do a complete due diligence, before appointing an umbrella company. So now, why have we mentioned this in bold writing, FCSA accredited or professional passport approved? Why have we done that? That's because there are two membership bodies and one certifying body company. There is this organization called FCSA. So I'll take you there. I'll take you to your website. Take you to their website. Sorry about that. So FCSA. So what FCSA means, Freelancer and Contractor Services Association, and what they do is they basically they check and verify umbrella companies for compliance. Umbrella companies pay FCSA to become accredited. Okay, and for that fee, they audit the umbrella company in question, and they will check the umbrella company for compliance, and they have their code of compliance, and if they find the umbrella company fit, they put them, they give them the accreditation, and let's just, while we are on this site, let's have a look what they do. So they have mentioned that they have a prerequisite for potential applicants. So they need a minimum of 2 years of successful operation. So the umbrella company in question should be in operation for 2 years. Okay, and they should have 1 year's full audited accounts for the legal entity seeking. So the umbrella company that is seeking accreditation should have been into operations for 2 years, and they should have 1 year's full audited accounts. They should have a minimum of 75 contractors supported. So on an umbrella company's payroll, they should have, there should have been a minimum of 75 contractors who should have worked with them, and financial liquidity proven by net assets exceeding 2.5% of the gross profit. So if an umbrella company meets these requirements, then they can apply for an FCSA accreditation. Okay, and what do FCSA does? What FCSA does is they perform due diligence checks on the umbrella company, and they have a standard process. Okay, and they have assessors who they are financial and legal assessors like BDO, Ernst & Young, Safre, Brabners, and JMW. So they have these firms who are their assessors. They assess the umbrella company, they check their umbrella company for compliance, and if everything goes well, they put them on their list of FCSA accredited umbrella companies. That means this umbrella company can be trusted. Now, so nothing is foolproof, nothing is foolproof. It doesn't mean that if an umbrella company is FCSA accredited, that doesn't mean that they are the best umbrella company or they are fully compliant. No, that doesn't happen. It doesn't happen that way. So in the past, there have been questions raised on umbrella companies who were FCSA accredited, but were involved into questionable practices. They were probably rumors, and there were instances, a couple of them, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I may be wrong, but then, so you know even though it's the same process for getting a professional passport approval. So there's this list of umbrella companies. If you go to FCSA website, you'll see, if you click on umbrella, you'll see these companies, like TASA, Danpro Umbrella, and there are around 60 plus umbrella companies who are FCSA accredited, and you will find them here. And if you'll go to their profile, you'll come to know, you'll learn about that umbrella company. So these all umbrella companies have gone through the compliance process and have become accredited for by the FCSA. So now, let's take for example, DASA Umbrella. So DASA Umbrella certification expires on July 31st, and they have been service certified for CIS, that is Construction Industry Scheme, and Umbrella Services. So this is an FCSA accredited company. Now, like I mentioned during, in the beginning of my video, that the umbrella company market is not regulated one, and that's why these are the private membership bodies who can who check and verify umbrella companies for compliance. And it's good to have something rather than having nothing. Instead of having nothing, you should at least have something to look for. Now at least FCSA does verify and check umbrella company for compliance, so that builds a little bit of trust, and it makes them a little bit safer to use when as compared to an umbrella company who does not have any sort of accreditation. In the same way, professional passport and FCSA are quite similar. They have their own individual processes to verify and check umbrella companies for compliance, and they have their own list of umbrella companies who have been approved or accredited by them. So just the way FCSA has a list of umbrella companies who are accredited, the professional passport has their own list of umbrella companies. They also have 50, 40 or 50 plus. I don't know the exact number. We can download a spreadsheet and have a look, but that's fine. So in the same way, there's one more which is called SafeRec. So SafeRec is what SafeRec does is SafeRec audits pay slips of umbrella companies on a real-time basis. So basically, they have a different approach to they provide certification to umbrella companies who agree to being audited on a real-time basis. So SafeRec claims that they audit umbrella companies on a real-time basis, and a lot of there are umbrella companies who are certified by SafeRec, and there's a list of them. So they also have around 10 to 15 umbrella companies who are certified by SafeRec. So there are three basically there are two private bodies and a company, so who checks and verifies umbrella companies for compliance. So there is FCSA, there is professional passport, and then there is SafeRec. So at least having either of either certification or an approval or an accreditation does help when it comes to, if I was a temporary worker and if I was looking to appoint an umbrella company, instead of going for an umbrella company who does not have any sort of accreditation or certification or a compliance check in place, I would go for a company that is has at least FCSA or professional passport or SafeRec certification or accreditation. So that is that part. And like I said, we work with a limited set of umbrella companies who we think are reliable and trustworthy. So currently at the moment we are partnered with two umbrella companies in the UK, which is Dasa Umbrella, and the other one is Templeton Brook. So Dasa Umbrella charges £10 per week for IT contractors UK site users, and £19 per week is what Templeton Brook charges for IT contractors UK site visitors. So we also have on this page our list of top 10 umbrella companies in the UK, and we maintain a list of FCSA accredited umbrella companies. So if you want to have a look, you can have a look here. We also maintain a list of SafeRec certified umbrella companies, so that is also updated on a regular basis. We also have professional passport umbrella companies list, which you can see over here. Now there are some contractors who have been told that, okay, I'm an umbrella company and I've been approved by the HMRC. So let me make it very clear. HMRC does not approve any umbrella company or any umbrella company in the UK. Like they do not check or verify any umbrella company, neither they do certify or for compliance. So if any umbrella company is telling you that, okay, here I am an HMRC approved umbrella company, that's your first red flag. You should not be engaging with that umbrella company, and if you want, you can report that particular umbrella company to the HMRC. So that is that, and we have a page. We have a page which is called HMRC list of umbrella companies. So here on this page you will find umbrella companies who are found to who are involved in tax avoidance schemes. So basically the list has crossed 100, and this is not a full list. So you can go to the HMRC's official website, and here you can find the entire list. So the last update was the last update was on so the last update was on 3rd October 2024 with 3 new additions: GL Premium Limited, Musa Management Limited, and Just. These are the 3 umbrella companies. These are the 3 companies they found to have been involved in running tax avoidance scheme. So you can always go to this page, go to their website, and check which umbrella companies are involved in running tax avoidance schemes. So here is the title: current list of named tax avoidance schemes, promoters, enablers, and suppliers. You can have a look at those companies there. And we also have a page. We also update on a regular basis at IT Contractors UK. Now we have articles which could help you differentiate between a good umbrella company and the and a fraudulent one. So, and if you're someone who's looking to who's not sure whether to go to work with through an umbrella company or a limited company, you can have a look at. We have a lot of articles and a lot of information on our website about umbrella companies, and those articles are in detail. So if you have any questions related to umbrella companies, you can just go through our articles, have a look, and you'll get an idea. So and when you're looking for an umbrella company, so I would like to give some tips here. So if you're looking for an umbrella company, okay, and you're not sure which one to go for, you can what you should do is you should check on sites like Trustpilot. So if you have you can go on LinkedIn, you can post on LinkedIn that, okay, I'm looking for an umbrella company who is fully compliant, who has got a good reputation, who pays on a time, who has who pays on a timely basis, and who makes regular payments. And so there are other contractors, there are IT professionals who will be able to help you with your query. So and then we recently published an article about umbrella company reviews, wherein we mentioned that why you should not be looking at self-proclaimed specialist contracting portal or comparison websites for umbrella company reviews. It's a very interesting article. If you want, you can have a look. You'll get a very good idea about that. And there are sites like Reddit, LinkedIn, Trustpilot, or Google Business Reviews. You can go on those sites and post your requirements there, and ask fellow contractors seek their referrals, recommendations about what they think, who they think are the best in the UK. So, but when someone says that, okay, we are the best umbrella company in the UK, trust me, they are not. Uh, and there's no one umbrella company that is the best in the UK. There are over 500 umbrella companies, and there cannot be one best. And especially when the government is not involved into compliance, or they're not regulating the umbrella company market, you should not trust them. You have you have like you have the likes of FCSA, Professional Passport, SafeRec, that can help you. You can come to our website, you can have a look at our articles, you can read our blogs, you can get information, advice on umbrella companies. You can look at our list of partners who we feel are trustworthy and reliable. If you we also have a LinkedIn group called Contractor Advice and IT Jobs UK, which you can join. There are over 20,000 members there, and you can come to our group. You can come to our site. We are also on Reddit, so if you want, you can join us there as well. And if you have any queries regarding how to appoint an umbrella company, or how to find a reliable umbrella company, you can simply write to us on support@itcontractorsuk.com, and we'll be more than happy to help you. And before I end this video, I would like to tell you that we also have umbrella service evaluation page, where you can fill in your details, select the umbrella company if you're already working with an umbrella company, pay how much they are charging, what services they are getting, and you can send it to us, and we'll review your details, and we'll suggest you whether you should be getting more, or if the umbrella company you are engaged with is a trustworthy umbrella company or not. And from now on, we have decided to make regular short videos on YouTube about umbrella companies and other services on our IT Contractors UK channel, and they will be more in depth and elaborate. And so if you are interested, if you would like to stay up to date about news information around the contracting space, just give a like to this video, subscribe to this to our YouTube channel, and we'll be happy to help. If you have any queries, just write to us on support@itcontractorsuk.com, and one of our team members will get in touch with you to help you out with your queries. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any queries, suggestions, or feedback, please do write in the comment section, and we'll be more than happy to have a look. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Bye.